My name is Jermaine Esso. I'm the chef de cuisine at Mayego restaurant. The restaurant's been open for close to 11 years now. I've been here for about 2 years. So come and join us and see what we can offer.